about like people. Yeah, it's bad. Yeah. My sister was, it turned out she was faking it a little bit, and she thought smile until she was faking it. Always in like you suck. Saying, ouch.